Hello guys and welcome to CocoSign. In this video I'm gonna show you how to send documents for signatures. You can request one or multiple recipient signatures by uploading and sending files. All you need to do is to log in into your CocoSign account and click Send for Signatures on the dashboard. The first step would be to add the documents. For adding the document, there are 4 options. You can choose a template from up top. You can upload a file from your local computer by dragging and dropping one or more files, or by simply clicking on Choose File. You also have the option to add a file from the cloud because CocoSign is integrated with Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. And lastly, you also have the URL option where you can enter a file URL to add your document. You also have the option to upload multiple files, and you can customize their sequence by dragging and dropping the files. After you've added the document, you can click on Next to proceed. The second step would be to add the recipient's details. To be more exact, you'll need to enter the name and the email of the recipient. You can send the document to them for signatures or simply send them a copy. You can also attach a private message and also an authentication code to open the file for a certain recipient. If you want to add multiple recipients, just click on the plus Add Recipients button. If you want your documents to be signed in order, you can select Custom Sign in Order. You can simply adjust the signing sequence by dragging the recipient information up and down. After you filled in all the information, you can click on Next. The third step allows you to edit your document and add the appropriate fields for your recipients to sign or enter other information. If you navigate to the right side of the control panel, you can find tools for document editing. For example, signature, initials, name, email, company, title, address, date, text, checkbox, and attachment. Simply drag and drop the fields where you want the recipients to fill them out. If you click on the fields, you can adjust their sizes and also their position. By clicking on a certain field, make sure to select which recipient is required to sign that certain field. You can also use the buttons up top to undo or redo a certain action that you've applied to the document. You can also select a certain recipient from the right toolbar and assign certain fields by dragging and dropping the fields to the document. If you want to append your e-signatures before sending out the document, you can select Me Pre-fill and input your signature directly. Once you're done editing the document, you can click on Next to review your work and perform further actions. In this step, you can click on the button Preview to see how a certain recipient will view the document. You can switch between recipients by clicking on Viewing As and selecting another recipient. You will need to enter a document name and also an email message. If you click on the More Setting button, you will be able to set a deadline for signing the document or even send a reminder to the recipients to remind them to sign the document. If you click on Personalized Branding, you will be able to customize your sign-in invite. In the General tab, you'll be able to upload a logo, change certain colors, and also edit the email from field. In the Advanced section, using Redirect after sign-in feature, you can redirect your signers to any page you want, such as a thank you page. Using Customize Your URL feature, you are able to include your company name or other information into the URL of your sign-in invite. In this section, you also have the option to customize your email template. When you are satisfied with your branding, you can click on the X button from the right side. You can click Send and wait for a response from the receiver. After the document is finalized, everyone involved will receive a final copy of the signed document. This is how you can send documents for signatures using the CocoSign.com platform. Visit CocoSign now to start a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. This being said, I hope you'll have a nice day.